this is Ashwin from CSimplifyIT. In previous video, I have shown you how to create your own module and echo hello world message. That was a very basic module to print your hello world message. In previous video, what we have learned that our Magento has three kinds of pools: a code folder, local code, and community. I don't need to go in depth. You know the purpose of each one. Basically, whenever the Magento have to find a module, it will first go to local folder. If it doesn't find that module in local folder, it goes to code, then it goes to community. So let's go some further. I have here two files, local.xml and simplepage.html. The html is a raw file that contains your HTML plus PHP codes. I'm telling you the purpose of these two files. The local.xml file will be kept in Magento app design frontend. I'm showing you app design frontend, default, and layout. In layout we have local.xml file. This file will be called at the time of the controller will be called. In our controller we have to define two functions: load layout and render layout. Basically these functions are defined in Mage Code Controller front action class, which is defined and written by the Visual community. The basic functionality of these two functions are they have to load the layout, call the exact template, and render the layout through the result to the view. The control will be passing by the same, like I'm entering here request flow test, which was our friend name. After calling this, see the title name and the background is changed according to our template was defined. What we have written in our template, this was the local.xml file which we called from our controller. In this we have defined the other parameters like name, output to HTML, template, simplepage.html. From here it sends the from control over the simplepage.html. Here we have written the code for our PHP file, title, untitled, and body background color. This is define our body background color. So basically transfer, I am telling you the flow, how it goes from our browser and sends the request and render our output and shows. As the previous in our previous video, I have shown you how a request is following. Likewise, we have just changed a little bit changed in our controller. After calling this front name request flow test, the request directly go to the exact controller, that is the index controller.php. In this index controller.php, it has read that function index action, which is the further action after reading the controller. Controller will decide which action should be called. We have defined the action here. In action we have defined two functions: load layout and render layout. In load layout, it load this file. After calling this function, it will load this file, reading all the parameters. In this layout we have called our template file, This is our template file. In template file we have defined, you can change this code according to your need. What we have to we have to what you have to show on your template. You can define whatever you want to see on your browser. So after rendering this HTML, control goes to render layout. What render layout is do, it render the output from the template and throw it to the browser. Now browser shown whatever we have written in our template file. So likewise, we have seen the use of layouts and templates. Blocks are sometimes used for the interaction between our database and the output which we have to render and shown to our viewers. So in next video I will show you how to use of blocks.